Here's a problem where we're asked to consider the expansion of gases as a form of work. The work done by gases is negative pressure times the change in volume, which you could state as negative pressure times final volume minus initial volume. If we read this question carefully, it says the molecules that are reacting release 973 joules of energy. That would be a negative sign. When we're considering work done by the reacting molecules, we'll give a negative sign to that 973 joules. The other thing to remember is when using the equation for expansion of gases, we use units of pressure, or atmospheres for pressure, units of liters for volume, and then the work comes out in liters atmospheres. They're giving us an amount of energy in joules, which we can convert into liters atmospheres. We have to remember to do that. So the negative 973 joules, we can convert using a quick conversion factor. It just so happens that 1 liter atmosphere is equal to 101.3 joules. And so when we divide, we get a negative 9.61 liters atmospheres. In terms of pressure, they give us 638 torr. We'll convert that into atmospheres when plugging into the equation. And then they're giving us the original volume in centimeters cubed, which is the same as milliliters. We'll have to convert that into liters when we use the equation. And then they're asking us to find the last piece, the final volume. So the math here isn't all that complicated. You just got to put the right things in the right places. So if we define that the work given off by the reacting systems is negative 9.61 liters atmospheres, that's W. We'll set that equal to the pressure, negative pressure, which if it's 638 torr, we can get into atmospheres by dividing by 760. V final is what we're solving for. And 50 centimeters cubed, when converted into liters, is 0.05 liters. At this point, you can pull out your calculator. Let's divide negative 9.61 by negative 638 over 760. That works out to be a positive 11.44. And that's in liters. And that equals V final minus 0.05 liters. Add 0.05 to both sides. And we get V final equal to 11.49 liters, which you could round to 11.5.